If you're going to have a set of wrenches, these are the ones you should have. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with Jeep Commander Project Overlanders, my 06 Jeep Commander Limited, and I have been addressing this guy up here. But one of the things that I needed was a set of wrenches, and not just any set of wrenches, a special set of wrenches. Let me show you what I got here. Well, first of all, I want to say that a set of wrenches like this, a standard set, is probably going to be $21 to $25. This one was actually pretty cheap, only about $30. It's by Qnkaa. And it's a metric ratcheting set, 12, and that is the key here, is that they have ratchets on them. And I want to show you here, what I really needed was the 17 millimeter. So you can see 8, 9, 10. I'm pointing this out for a reason. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then if you need 20 and higher, you probably have to buy some of those individually. But so many of these sets that I have found don't include like the 16, 17, or the 19. So they kind of go up to like 15, and then they start jumping around, I'm sure, to the common sizes, but sometimes you don't know what size you need. And so that's what I really liked about this set. One, the price point, but two, that it had all these intermediate sizes. And that's because I really needed 17 and 18 here for the bull bar on this Jeep. Now, I want to show you the 17. Looks very nice. The Chrome Vanadium, right there, 17, big marked. Obviously you have the open end there and then the closed end here, and it's just a one-way ratchet. I don't know how many clicks here, 70 maybe, but obviously if you need to ratchet the other way, you can just flip it over, right? So it's not a switch like a socket wrench or something like that. You can also see here that they are flat. Sometimes these have a little angle, but you don't really want that angle when you're going to flip it over because you're not sure which way to go. Now, what I want to show you here is it was really these bolts down here that I just could not get a wrench on and actually wrench correctly. I could actually get the wrench on, right? You put it on there. Let's say I take this open end here, I get it on there. See, it's sliding off. It's not that easy to get on there. You get it on there, you pull on it. All right, tighten that sucker down. And then you got to try to get it back on. And you only have maybe 20 degrees of open space here. But if I put this on, now I can ratchet just like that. Since it's already tight, no big deal. But even here, I don't have a lot of space, and I can get it on there, and then I can use maybe this 15, 20 degrees of opening there, and it makes all the difference in the world, man. You get things tightened down so much quicker with a ratcheting wrench set, especially if you have kind of small spaces. But even if you don't, even if you have a big open space, you have just a bolt sitting on top of a big sheet of metal, wouldn't you rather do this, ratchet, than do this, right, with your hands? So if you are looking for a ratcheting wrench set with all of the individual sizes through the miracle of the metric system, then I think you're going to love these. So if you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.